Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update MongoDB Atlas aggregation pipelines for big data processing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your MongoDB Atlas account. Navigate to the cluster that contains your data. Click on the Collections tab to access your databases and collections. Identify the collection you want to work with for your aggregation pipeline. Once inside the collection, click on the Aggregate button located at the top. This will open the Aggregation Pipeline Builder. You will see a blank canvas where you can start constructing your pipeline. Begin by adding your first stage. Select the $match stage to filter your documents. Specify the conditions to narrow down your dataset. Next, click on Add Stage to include another step in your pipeline. Consider using the $group stage to summarize your data. Define the group key and specify the aggregation operations. After grouping, you may want to sort your results. Add a $sort stage and specify the field and order for sorting. If needed, add a $project stage to reshape your output. Here, you can include or exclude fields and rename them if necessary. To handle large datasets more efficiently, consider using the $limit stage. Set a limit on the number of documents processed by the pipeline. You can also use the $skip stage to paginate through results. Once you have constructed your pipeline, click on the Run button to execute it. Review the output to ensure it meets your requirements. If you need to make adjustments, modify the stages accordingly. Continue to test and refine your pipeline as needed. When satisfied with the results, save your pipeline for future use. To deploy your updated aggregation pipeline, navigate to your application. Update the connection code to use the new pipeline. Monitor performance to ensure it meets your big data processing needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.